Last grit.
Bricks. Feel that.
Are you nervous as I am?
That's awesome. Team effort. Team effort. Is this a decent exposure? No, I'm in a private place. We're good. You're in your.
No, you're not private. The internet is the private world now. Exactly.
Privacy. Don't piracy.
Exactly.
Oh, I've lost
You
my
gonna do the
drink.
intro or not?
I can do the intro
Help.
at any time.
Help! Help!
Oh, found it.
Alright, welcome back to a brand new episode of The Project Driveway at Project Driveway HQ. I got Teddy Bear Blankets hanging up behind me because I'm going to be doing some sanding and painting because we didn't get done last week, did we? Damn it.
No. Whoa, that sounded weird. Did that sound weird?
He is weird. Look at him. Look at
Sound
him.
like joy when your throat gets full.
Yeah, I actually felt it. I was like, no.
It wasn't just me.
I thought someone was outside there when you were like, hello. I was like, huh? Yeah, so I got some sanding of the diffusers. I'll take it outside so you can see the scratchy boys in it. I was in a rush. Last week, so it's a bit hard. But there's a bunch of scratches on there from me not going out to a high enough grip before I laid any colour down. So I want to just redo it to make it a lot better because I know I can do better, and that's the main focus of Project Driveway is to do better. So, today's video is going to be me sanding and painting, which is not that entertaining, but we'll make it entertaining.
Suck my ass.
Yeah.
Training. We're hyped.
Oh look at that! He's up.
Hey,
He's up.
close. Oh, Jesus.
You're up.
Don't throw the people.
I'm up.
Throw the people.
I caught the people.
Do the intro. Adam's here to catch the people.
Yeah, I got you. I got you, fam.
Stop.
Yeah. Damn it.
Hey, people. Hey, you want to? Yeah. We're on that good shit. Gang, gang.
Day 46 of
Did I ever
sanding.
tell you how much I hate sanding, painting?
I'm editing.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm still sanding. Nah, I had to bog up some stuff again because yeah, just lacking on the bog. So we're up to 360 now. One of my favourite rappers. Not really, but he's alright. He's pretty good. Aussie bloke, Melbourne bloke.
Story time with Pat.
What?
Talking
about Gotcha, not to you. Do I have another booger?
No.
I used the tread.
You got a fact yet?
The wings are yes. So do you know how I've got the Forester badge on the back of my car? Well, they make gold ones. Forester in gold, and they only come off the JDM Type M. Forester.
And
Yeah.
and when did it?
And they're the only cars that come with the front gold badge too. Only the Type M. Type
Doesn't
M.
yours have a green badge?
Yeah, remember that? Remember we
Yeah.
found that out?
That's to do with the colour
Do you
codes
have
of
it?
the
Oh, I
body.
don't have it there anymore. It's there.
And
They
you
made a few different colours of the Subaru badges. They're like, if you really look close, they're blue, red, green,
And black.
and purple. And black. It just works. It's good for the ulcers. I mean the ulcers. For the ulcers.
Ulcers.
Uh,
What have you been eating? Bleach again.
jelly beans.
crayons.
Hey, how good do they smell?
It tastes even better.
What are we up to now?
600! Can you believe it?
Last grit.
Bricks. Feel that.
Update report. We are adding more bog. Why? Why is my nose running? It's middle of.
End of.
End of.
Start off.
Start off.
To be continued.
No. We're still working. It's gonna get dark. Yeah, we added some more bog because It fell out. I'm not going to get into details. It fell out, so yeah, some more bulk. Guess what? No more sanding. Too bad it's dark to paint. Dark to paint?
Dr. Paint.
It's not sunny anymore. Yeah. We missed the last train to Hogwarts, so we're going to have to get the ferry.
Yeah, paint stuff. Helping. He's helping. I appreciate it.
Tissue on my finger. Light check.
Wave check.
Wave check.
Lots of those painting work.
Are you nervous as I am?
We all have to TP surround it. Now! Callum! Now! Someone turn the air on, fucking.
That's fine, it's fine.
Number one rule. Don't listen to Carl. Two rule. I love European jobs. Especially when they're fiddly bits. Can't go wrong, mate.